This stately 2001 Audi TT is equipped with a quiet 1.8-liter inline four-cylinder engine, a smooth 6-speed manual transmission, the peace of mind of all-wheel drive, and has 70,583 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include the manufacturer's audio system and cassette player, a 7-speaker in-cabin sound system and audio anti-theft protection. It also gets an estimated 28 miles per gallon on the highway, and 20 in the city. For your comfort, this convertible has an illuminated entry system and an air conditioner with climate control, and it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include driver and passenger front airbags with the on or off switch for the passenger side. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.
Hanson Dodge City Jeep is located west of